Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily find out who shared your posts in Facebook application. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also write your comments after watching the video. And don't forget to put your likes. So let's get down to our topic. And first of all, open the Facebook application on your phone. Then go to the menu section. And then you'll need to click on the gear in the top right-hand corner to go to Settings. Next, scroll down a little bit, and here you will see the Notifications section. Now you will need to, first of all, make sure that you have this feature disabled. That is, that the feature is not receiving notifications, it's turned off. After that, also here you'll see, Learn more about me, go here. And here you need to make sure that this feature to receive Facebook notifications, it's turned on. If it's off, then just drag and drop this button and that way you will activate it. And then you can log out. And now at the bottom near the menu, click on the bell to go to the Notifications section. Here you'll be able to see all the notifications that you have. And here you can see who's sharing your posts, who's commenting on them, who's liking them, and so on and so forth. Friends, this is the very simple way you can find out who can share your Facebook posts. I am useful for you and helped you. Please put your likes, write comments, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.